Hi, it's Annie here from Gill Construction Solutions. We recently had a client who came home and found water everywhere in her home. So she gave us a call. Her insurance company allowed us to work with her and help her get the water damage remediated. So here you can see damage to the interior of her cabinets. Um, might be a little difficult to see. Here is the flooring that's starting to buckle where the water had sat on the wood flooring. See those edges are peeling up, sticking up. And when you come back and look across the floor, you're seeing this buckling, or not really buckling, but waves. That wood floor is never going to be the same. Where did we begin? Well, she called her insurance company and then called us, retained us, so we could work directly with the insurance company and the adjuster to make it a headache-free experience for her. Once we met with the adjuster and got started, it was time to take off the baseboards, take up the wood flooring that had been damaged. Due to the water damage, we had to take out a section of drywall in the living room that is on the same wall as the kitchen plumbing. Drying holes had to be created around the baseboard area so that the area could dry out. There was a lot of water in this particular area where she had her little dining area. And you can see it was a real mess. Look there, the damage there to the wall. Next, once everything was dried out and had been remediated, our team prepped the floor and began installing new water-resistant luxury vinyl wood-look plank flooring. So now she doesn't have to worry if there's a bad leak again. Here they've begun laying the flooring. It's going down. You can still see those drying holes there. They'll be taken care of once the flooring is all installed. It's looking really good. And here we have the transition area into the tile in the kitchen. Is it finished? Oh, yes. Our homeowner is so excited to get her furniture back in place in the living area. That looks beautiful, doesn't it? Here you can see the finished product. Look, you got the baseboards back on. You don't see any holes. All that's been taken care of. Here she is, moving her furniture back in. No more water damage, no more mold, just a clean home ready to be enjoyed. So if you ever have any water damage or an insurance claim that you need help with, give us a call. It would be our pleasure to work with your insurance company to help you get your home back to the way it was. Thanks. Have a great day.